You are going to love the do-it-yourself flower press from wood for pressing flowers. I used 2 wooden plaques and some carriage bolts, and then took my electric drill and drilled a hole in each corner of one of those plaques. I clamped the 2 plaques together and then used the first set of holes as a guide to drill the holes in the second plaque. Worked like a dream. So then I took the carriage bolts and from the back of that first plaque placed the carriage bolts in there, turned it over, and placed some corrugated cardboard plus a sheet of paper, kind of use a blotting paper, and laid my flower buds that I picked outside. It was so much fun on a beautiful spring day. Lay them out so that they aren't overlapping. They can't be too thick of flowers or they won't dry well. Place that second part of the paper over the top, another piece of cardboard, and then you can layer as many layers of flowers on there as you want. Take the second plaque, put it on, and put the wing nuts there, tighten it up so it's tight, and you've got it. It's like a sandwich, right? You need to leave those for a couple weeks to dry, and then once they're dry, you can loosen those wing nuts, take them out, and you have some beautifully pressed dried flowers to use for crafts. We'll have a post on that later. So it's so much fun, a great way to preserve flowers for crafts. The do-it-yourself flower press from wood for pressing flowers from Welcome to Nana's. Come there for more nature crafts and things to do for the summer.